Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one BMW. This car have a problem, adaptive headlight system malfunction, and here you can see light system malfunction. Okay, today I will show you how you can solve this problem, adaptive headlight malfunction. That means headlight there is some issue, that's why this warning light came. Okay, so first check park light. Here you can see park light working. See inside this park light and this one, but here in this light left side park light not working. Though I connect wire and everything, but this headlight park light not working. Headlight, and you can see here left side headlight working, and this light also headlight working. Left right both of them working, headlight, but park light not working. That's why warning light came, adaptive headlight control malfunction. Okay, so how to solve it? First of all, check with our diagnosis tool. See here I do scanning. I will show you where is the fault and why this warning light came. How to solve it? First full scan and check. Report. Here you can see in FRM fault is line bus headlight driver module left communication faulty, fault code 800FC8. That means left side park light not working, that's why this fault came. So what you have to do, we have to replace one park control module and check. Ignition off. I have another headlight same, so replace this park control module, this one I fix it here and check. Here you can see I fix it properly. See, original one I remove, I got fault in here. You can see it's damaged. I think water inside or whatever it is, this is damaged, and that's why this park light not working and inside warning light came. Okay, now I replace it another one and check. Ignition on. Here you can see now park light working. See, great success. See, now park light working. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel, and there is a lighting system warning light also gone. Here also everything is perfect, warning light gone. Okay, so if my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.